Hey everyone, this is Wanies Academy. In our biology class today, we would talk about osmosis. At the end of the day, we would be able to define osmosis. We will explain the key concept of osmosis and list the importance and application of osmosis in nature. Osmosis is a process of active transport that involves the movement of liquid substances, that is water, from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a selectively permeable membrane. So it allows for the movement of liquid or water from a region of higher concentration to that of a lower concentration through a selectively permeable membrane. It can be said to be a process of diffusion, only that a selectively permeable membrane is needed in osmosis, but a selectively permeable membrane is not needed in diffusion. Let's see some key concepts in osmosis. The first one I'll talk about is selectively permeable membrane. A selectively permeable membrane can be a tissue or material that will allow for the passage of the molecule. It will allow for the passage of some molecules of substances, and it will hold back some substances from passing through its membrane. So it is a membrane that does not allow every material to pass through. So like a filter paper can be said to be a selectively permeable membrane. So it permits just materials, some materials to pass through it, while others are not allowed to pass through it. The second key concept is the concentration gradient. Now, this is the concentration in solutes between two regions. I mean, between a higher concentration and a lower concentration. Materials will definitely move from a higher concentration to a lower concentration, or it will move from a lower concentration into a more higher concentration with medium. Take, for example, when you have water and a solution of salt. The solution of salt will admit more water molecules to come into its cell, while the solution of water will use its content to the salt solution. So selectively permeable membrane and concentration gradients are the two key concepts in osmosis. Now let's see examples of osmosis in the plant cell. It helps plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The roots of plants have root hair. The root hair serves as a selectively permeable membrane that allows for water and some dissolved mineral nutrients to move through the entire plant. In human cells, osmosis regulates the water balance in the body. This is a function of the kidney, which involves in the osmoregulatory function or process of the body. Now, the diagram here shows a simple process of osmosis. Now, we have two molecules, one containing sugar. The sugar in this liquid molecule had increased the concentration of the molecule. So the sugar in this molecule has increased the concentration of the molecule. Here we also have a selectively permeable membrane, which is a barrier. This barrier will allow for some substances to pass through, while some substances will not pass through. Now, if you look at the second diagram, where you have water molecule, the first stage here, you have the sugar molecule. The sugar molecule had increased the concentration of the water, while the water molecule here is in low concentration. So water will move from this low state into the sugar molecule. Water will move from this low state into the sugar molecule. So this simple process signifies osmosis. Let's see some importance of osmosis in nature. It enables cellular balance. It enables organisms maintain their cellular balance for proper functioning. It also involves in biological processes. Osmosis plays a crucial role in various biological processes, like in the excretory product of the kidney, where the kidney removes nitrogenous waste and also regulates the amount of water in the body. Osmosis is a very, very important function involved in the function of excretion of water and some nitrogenous waste in the body. Osmosis is applied in the medical field to carry out dialysis. Dialysis is a process carried out for patients with kidney problem. So the dialysis machine will act like a kidney to filter the kidney in removing nitrogenous waste. It is also used in agriculture for plant growth and development. So all in all, osmosis is a process where materials move from a region of higher concentration to that of lower concentration, or it can also move from a region of lower concentration to that of higher concentration, but that a selectively permeable membrane is what needed. Osmosis is carried out by living tissue. Thank you for listening. Please do not forget the subscribe button. Bye for now.